Hello everyone, you are all welcome. So please guys, as you are watching what I'm doing, I just want to give you
Hello
the main reason
guys.
why I have to do this.
If you can see
This is a
me,
place I normally put the chicks because where they are right now, that's the cage is already tight. You know, as they are growing, because today make it 21 days of brooding them. And during the day, especially when the sun is already out, the place is always that they are not always comfortable because because they are much already. The heat over there, they can't really bear it. So what I do most time in the morning, the place that we have a spacious place that I normally put the chicks. At least they can stay here for a while. Then before maybe during the day, that's towards evening, I will take them back to the cage. It's not that I don't have other cage. I have other cages, but for the main now they are still very small, so their legs are not big enough to be able to stay in the other cage. So that is why in the morning what I do is that once it gets to a certain time, I
I'm doing
will
this.
bring them
I'm
out.
scraping all this because
I'll bring them out.
I'm
So
doing
what I was doing right now is to remove
so this
the
place is
previous
already almost
waste
finished.
because I don't want them to start picking anything from
Scrape
this.
all these
So
things up
I
so
scrape
that they will not
them,
start picking
remove them, make sure I sweep it very well
dirt. Though it's their
before
waste,
uh,
but I need to take
bringing
them
the
up
chicks out.
to bring them because
So
right now
guys,
where they
please,
have
as you're watching my video,
food that is tight
don't
on
forget
them,
to
there is no
subscribe
spacious for them.
for you to see more of these things that I'm doing. I think that was what I was trying to explain on the background. Let you guys know the reason why I'm scraping the floor is to remove the poo. Then before I will go attend to the chicks as in bring them out from the cage. Because as at this time, I think this was in the morning, but I think it should be like 9 a.m. Yeah, I think about 9 a.m. And the sun was already out, and the chicks, because of that treatment they took, they were not really that comfortable, and it's not too good for them because one thing about all these chicks, heat are not good for them at all. So for them to be able to grow very well, you have to remove them as they take them off from where they are to make sure that they are in a spatial and better place. So guys, that is all for today. You can feel your eyes to see how I was able to clear the place and bring them out from the cage. So thank you all as you keep watching, like, subscribe, and I'll keep posting more of how you can take care of your pets.
So this is it, guys. Packing them up. So I'm going to demarcate this place so that they will not come out. So guys, this is the place. You can see it's already tight. You can see how full they are here. So that's the main reason why I try to bring them out because where they are right now is already full. As they are getting bigger, so the place is he's now that the place is quite small now for them, so they cannot really be comfortable here. And not only that, if they are inside this place, it's going to generate heat. It will make the place to be very hot, and that's making them to stay they will not really be comfortable. And when a place is that crowded like this now, guys, you can see when the place is crowded like this, it will not also make them to grow well. So that's one thing about all these chicks. When they are in a tight place like this, it won't make them to grow well, guys. So in order to avoid all these things, once you see that the place is already tight like this and you have a place that are spacious, so it is always advisable for you to take them off, remove them from that place. If you can even be changing them time to time. See, they want to come out. So guys, please, as you are watching this video, like, subscribe for you to see more of the things we do daily on how to handle these chicks. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.